Some people do side quests in video games. Meanwhile, I'm out here doing real life missions inside of stores. Today's objectives include photographing yogurt, taking pictures of energy drinks, and apparently investigating garbage bags. All right, so if you've never seen these apps before, basically they send regular people, as in someone with a cell phone, into stores to complete random little retail missions. Stuff like checking displays, taking photographs of shelves, and finding products. Some are super easy, just walk in, walk out, and get paid, and some are unreasonably annoying. It pays as much or probably a little bit less than Uber Eats and DoorDash, but honestly, the whole thing feels like a GTA side quest and is super fun. So our first one is going to be in BJ's. Now, these type of apps, most of the jobs you're going to do are going to be inside BJ's, Sam's Club, Walmart, and then like CVS's, Walgreens, 7-Elevens, and stuff like that, but mostly Costco, Sam's Club, and Walgreens. So this one is for yogurt. The first question is for yogurt. So I had to find the yogurt, and usually you have to take a picture of each 4-foot shelf, but if they're in these refrigerator doors, it makes it even more annoying because you have to open every single door and take a picture. Now, I've done so many of these, I kind of have a system down for these doors. I pull it open, hold it open with my foot, and then take the picture. This is in real time. I'm not speeding this up at all. I've done way too many of these. I probably have done about 2,000 of these jobs over the past 8 years. Super fun. And then now the next question I have to find the creamer, the non-dairy creamer, stuff like that. So overall, this gig was not too bad. It was pretty fun. Walking around BJ's, you do end up doing a lot of steps, and from where the gig is to your parking lot could be a lot of steps and could take a lot of time if you don't really walk fast or you're slow with these pictures. But overall, this was super fun, and I was in and out in about 5 to 10 minutes. Side quest complete. We got some experience, and we got about $3. The next one, this one I'm going to show you inside the actual app screen with a screen recording. So now I am doing a $2 mission at Aldi's. I thought it was going to be super easy. So now at Aldi's, I have to find the energy drinks. It wanted to have a picture of the whole refrigerated section of energy drinks. But the thing is, at this store, there was no refrigerated energy drinks, so I'm going to have to add that into my notes later to get it approved. If there's ever something weird or you're stressed out or you can't figure something out, at the end of the gig, they give you a chance to write notes, and they'll usually approve it if you explain it well. So I had to find the Red Bull. It was kind of hard to find because there was only like one shelf of it. Take overview pictures, take pictures of it on the shelf, and then it wanted to know if there was any displays. There was like the Red Bull cooler by the checkout line, so I got that one. And now we're off to the next one. Honestly, the reason I love these apps is every task feels different. It feels like an adventure. You're moving around. You're not stuck in the same place. It's not like with Uber Eats or DoorDash where you're constantly going to the same McDonald's or Dunkin' Donuts over and over again. And weirdly enough, I find these missions super fun. A lot of people comment saying that it's not worth it for what they pay, but it's something that I would do. I like driving around. That's how I get my ideas for my videos on my various YouTube channels. So this gives me an opportunity to make a little bit of money while having fun and while getting out into the world. Now, side quest 3, this is the last one, and I have to go to Dollar Tree. I like doing the dollar store ones because the employees usually don't bother you. And if there's $1 store, there's usually a bunch of them all over. So you could do multiple of these gigs in the same day or the same hour. And then it really starts adding up to be like a side hustle. So I have to walk in here to the dollar store. I have to see if they have any displays by the register. They usually have candy over there. So I got that picture. And now I just have to do the 4-foot sections of the shelf. Most of these tasks, you're just going to have to take pictures of shelves and displays. So that's what I had to do with this one. And now I'm heading back to the car. So that's what my day looks like when I'm doing these type of apps. I usually will do some delivery apps in between if there aren't any gigs on these other apps. But weirdly enough, it actually makes being out and doing errands and doing this side hustle actually really fun. And let me know in the comments if you've done any of these and what were the weirdest side quests that these apps sent you.